Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. If you work in private equity, you know the drill. We live and breathe the numbers, strategies, and timelines. But when it comes to generative AI, honestly, for a while, it felt like a buzzword. Powerful, yes, but abstract. A black box, but that's changing fast. Today, I want to walk you through how generative AI is reshaping something core to what we do, exit strategies, and the realization of investments. Because let's face it, exits aren't just a milestone, they're the moment. The whole point of the exercise. And the way AI is stepping in, it's no small tweak, it's a full-scale shift. Traditionally, exits could feel a little reactive. Gut feel, market signals, some data. But now, generative AI is making the process proactive, insight-driven, and strategic at an entirely new level. It analyzes huge datasets, real-time market trends, economic signals, even sentiment, to help us nail both when and how to exit for maximum value. That means pinpointing not just the right timing, but the most effective route: IPO, strategic sale, secondary buyout, recapitalization. AI doesn't just advise, it models. It simulates scenarios. It stress tests outcomes. It's like having a strategic analyst that never sleeps. And beyond high-level strategy, AI makes the operational side more efficient. Think due diligence, summarizing documents, flagging risks, cutting review time in half. Instead of wading through compliance checklists, we can actually focus on deal strategy and negotiation. There's also something powerful about real-time adaptability. Markets shift on a dime. Generative AI tracks those shifts as they happen, helping us pivot if conditions change. That's not just smart, it's essential. Let me back up a second, though. For those newer to exits, there are really 4 main strategies. IPOs, where we go public. Strategic sales, where another business acquires the portfolio company. Secondary buyouts, one PE firm handing off to another. And recaps, where we restructure the company's capital to cash out partially but stay in the game. Generative AI elevates each of these options. It gives us sharper valuations based on current and forward-looking data, not just historical comps. It aligns exit planning with business goals and investor expectations. It even analyzes potential buyers, their motivations, and what terms they're likely to accept. All of that lets us negotiate from a position of strength. When it comes to execution, AI shines again. It keeps us aligned with our strategy and detects subtle market signals we'd likely miss. And it's not just about getting a good price. It's also about building a smooth, stable transition that maintains value post-exit. And yes, AI helps after the deal's done too. Structuring returns, considering tax implications, optimizing distribution timing, it all benefits from predictive analytics. Even the reporting to LPs can be automated and enriched with insights that boost transparency and trust. I've seen this in action. One large firm used AI to identify a small but perfect exit window and ended up with a valuation well above their projections. Another firm used AI right from the start to build a bespoke exit strategy, beating their targets. These aren't just edge cases, they're signals of where the industry's heading. That said, let's be clear, adopting AI isn't frictionless. There are challenges: data security, skill gaps, integration issues, evolving regulation, and ethical oversight. You need a strong foundation, encrypted systems, phased rollouts, team training, and tight governance. But the momentum is there. AI is moving from a nice-to-have to a core capability. We're going to see even deeper integration, smarter modeling, better forecasting, tailored partnerships between PE firms and tech specialists. And those who get ahead? They'll drive stronger, more consistent outcomes for investors. Bottom line, generative AI is becoming a critical part of the private equity exit playbook. It's making our decisions sharper, our processes faster, and our outcomes better. So, if you're thinking about how to bring AI into your own exit planning, now's the time to start. Build your roadmap, Test a few use cases. Think strategically, because the firms that embrace this shift, they'll be the ones leading the next generation of private equity. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.